Hello, welcome back to the channel. So screwdrivers, six sets of five. Working on body mechanics, try to make it more relaxed, less forced, just make the implement fly. So that's an 80%. So that was 6 failures out of 30. That's an 80% stick rate. Yeah, these are unmodified flathead screwdrivers. All of them are exactly the same. That was actually a good session, I think. I will have to review the footage, make sure that my mechanics or body mechanics are what I think they are. And that's why video is such a great tool, videoing yourself, because what you think you're doing and what you are actually doing, you can actually compare the two things. I don't mind a lower stick rate if it leads to a better body mechanics. It's the whole point of self-improvement. In my opinion, stick rate is not everything, because better body mechanics will eventually lead to a better stick rate. But in any case, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.